Hi everyone, my name is June with RAH Care. In our channel, we share positive parenting tips. Follow us now to have more ideas on parenting inspirations. I have something to show you. Ta-da! This is a field board story I made. In today's video, I will walk with you step by step on how to make your own field board. This type of play increases a child's imagination, helps develop self-expression, and provides hands-on learning. Today, we are going to make the field board with old MacDonald had a farm pieces. Okay, let's do it! Here is how you make your own field board. The materials we're using today are canvas, fabric glue, hot glue gun, scissors. If you are making with children, make sure you're using child-proof scissors. Regular paper, stapler, tape, markers, different size and color felt, pencil or pen, erasers. First, we are going to make a field board. Then we will work on the pieces. Lay the felt on the floor or table, and then put the canvas on top of it with the back of the canvas facing up. Line up. Trim the excess felt away if you are using a big felt. And staple or glue the felt around the edge of the back of the canvas. Don't forget to stretch or pull the felt tight as you go, so the felt board will come up nice, firm, and tight. I am using green and blue as my board color. You can use one color or more colors, depending on how you want it to be. The board is ready to go. Now, let's make the old MacDonald had a farm pieces. Take out the different colors felt you need. You can purchase felt at your local craft store. You may want to find a pattern to print out, or you may use markers to draw your pattern on a separate paper or on the felt direct. If you are printing out patterns or draw on paper, you can take the paper on the felt, then cut them off. Today, I am going to draw out the patterns on the paper and on the felt. Once you finish the outline, next step is cut it off. Cut off all the pieces you need, then glue the ones need to stick together. Here is an old MacDonald song or storytelling you may use with felt storyboard with your children. Field board, also called flannel board, often for storytelling, creating your own stories, songs, building designs, and pictures with felt shapes. Since the special texture felt has, you don't need to glue or paint the felt pieces. It will stay on the field board. It is one of the best ways to teach children. Parents and teachers can invite older children to do the field board and pieces together. In a school setting, it is a wonderful tool for group time or circle time. At home, the field board activity will make the story time and sometimes has more fun. I encourage teachers and parents to use props to teach children. It is called interactive learning. After adults finish telling the field board story or felt song, children love retelling them with the field board pieces. That's for today. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us to get more. See you next week!